Okay, good morning, folks. Welcome back. We just got done with a single day of snow day. Yesterday morning, an ice storm hit and hit at the right time. It was about 5 o'clock in the morning. I was up for all of it. And by the time 6:30 rolled around, we were out of school. This is a great safety example. Why were we not in school yesterday? Because it was unsafe for you to walk to school or drive to school. And I can verify that too because I tried actually leaving yesterday morning and had my car sliding all over the place. So just wanted to mention that. Second thing, this is the first video you're going to see to introduce class. These will happen more often, probably on Fridays. I think I caught a cold yesterday, so my throat is feeling pretty scratchy. Today's exercises, because of that, are all going to be self-paced. I have a few YouTube videos and some assignments that are based on those for you guys to complete. I'll put it out on Google Classroom and the webpage, and I'd like you guys to complete that by Monday morning. So you have today during class and the weekend to do it. So it's either homework or a class assignment, one of the two. So there's a couple things you need to turn in, and it's self-paced. Check your Google Classroom, and that's it, guys. It's been a great first couple of weeks of class. I really appreciate getting to know all of you. I think I'm almost there on the names, and that's it. Have a great weekend, and I appreciate it.